My name is Acacia Pennell, and I found Kiwi Spa to help me with all of my skin issues that I have had in the past. I've struggled forever. I've tried all these dermatologists, all these products, and when I found Kiwi Spa, it totally changed my life and my face. And I'm very, very happy I found out that the products that Kiwi Spa sells it worked really well with my skin, all natural, organic, that I was so impressed with the product in the spa that I talked to the owner and see if I could work and learn everything she has to offer to keep my skin looking really well. I have struggled to find the results that I was looking for until I came to Kiwi Spa. Once I came to Kiwi Spa and had my first treatment, my face cleared up, it's glowing, and I finally got the results I was looking for. Before, I had very problem areas on my face around my cheeks and my mouth area, and Kiwi Spa is the first place that was able to give me the results I was looking for. This is my skin now, and before, it was... After my first treatment, I did purchase some products from Kiwi Spa, all the organic, natural, cruelty-free products that I was really impressed with. It was the first product that didn't cause a reaction to my skin. When I spoke to the estheticians at Kiwi Spa, I found out there's medical grade molecules inside, and I think that's what's really the ticket to making my skin so glowing and perfect in my opinion. I was so impressed with Kiwi Spa that I had to ask if I could work here. I started working here, and I can't be more impressed with the products and the environment and the atmosphere that Kiwi Spa has to offer. I've learned so much being here, and I want to continue to learn all the amazing tricks to keep my skin amazing and glowing. This is the only place that's given me the results and the confidence that I've really been looking for years. I love Kiwi Spa so much that all my friends and family come here, and I would recommend it to anybody that would want to find amazing results for their face. Come enjoy amazing atmosphere, enjoy a little bit of house mocktails, and if you want to learn more, we offer free online consultations.